Sir, my name is Mr. Osas Omorege Fred, a resident of Lagos State. He write us letter, come meet us for office here. Also, if you write letter, come drop for office here for VI, we'll go look am. I am writing this letter to report an issue that I am currently having with my wife, whom I have known since 2016. We have been married since 2016 and we have 2 kids together. We had a misunderstanding, which is usual in any relationship. She got me arrested, detained me for a period of 2 weeks. Say the wife detained him for a period of 2 weeks for police station, during when she relocated and ordered that I should be maltreated. She is also a policewoman. I was also threatened by the Ikotun Divisional Police Officer DPO that I will be killed if I take the case any further. Ever since then, I've not been able to locate where my wife or kids are, and she ends my calls whenever I call. This event has choked me so much that I almost killed myself due to depression. Thanks to the ever-caring neighbors of mine who rescued me. Please, I need your help. When I don't hear the letter we will read now, the guy we talk saying in wife for lock him for 2 weeks just because just small misunderstanding. We go hear what him be the small misunderstanding. Hello? Hello,
good morning.
Yeah, sir, it's good morning. Now, need to be this. Me and Tombo would be here, and Tom, everybody, even Ratata, Karabaka, and Star Studio, say, all of us would be here.
Good morning, sir.
Our
Yes,
English
good morning,
professor today, yeah, they hear you. Now, so
Yes,
what
sir.
be the issue? Talk to us, we hear you.
God bless you, sir. 2016, Mary and this woman we know ourselves. That time I was staying alone, managing alone. I saw her. She was serving in Babish police station. You know Babish at VI.
Yes, Babish that time.
Me, I was living in Oluru. She told me that she had 1 baby. I said, okay, no wahala. That since you get baby, me, I never get. No wahala. We are from the same local government too.
Where be that?
We are from Edo, the same Orion.
Okay.
They hear me, sir. I can't say, okay, no wahala. I will call the friend. From there, he can't tell me, say, make I go see his parents. Baba, I can't go Akure. The father with the mother, they live in Akure. I can't go Akure, go see them. As I come back, we come see that time I was living in Pako. As she was living with me with his daughter. Sometimes me, I'll go drop his daughter for the school. For mainland, only me one go to come sometimes. Sometimes she go travel, leave the daughter for me. It's about 8 years she came. Me and the girl go there, you know. We can't do like the face, the love day. Now she can't take him from me. As she take him, she come born. As she born now, Baba, I couldn't see different characters. Sometimes I go call her, he go say, for night you go send the police work. I go say, you come up for us since 7 o'clock, say you see the police work since this time. Baba, not be smart too. If I just see tomorrow that I was, he can't advise me more will live where would they live, when me suffer the mileage on my own house, no will go barak. I can't sell that place when I did. I can't give her almost about 90,000 naira. No, Atura, we can't go take barak because I'm money they say they take barak. Baba, as I reach barak and me as civilian, tomorrow they go throw away my load. Next tomorrow they go lock me for sale at station. Next the other day they go lock me. It take on too much. I can't bear her. Don't be this one will just happen. If grandmama can't die, when grandmama can't die, the people say, if we not come put money for her head, they not go allow me come there. Baba, I carry my mama, I carry my senior brother, I carry my papa, I carry everybody from Benin to Akure. The grandmama now die. As we reach, they go ask them, what will be the issue? They say, okay, more pay money. Now we come tell them, okay, more give us the list. They say, no, more do bury affairs. They say money where they cut for my wife, if you never pay 250,000, we not go do. Now my sister for abroad, the thing where it takes because I have 2 sisters in Germany. Now my sister vest immediately, can't transfer 150,000 to the papa account instantly for that parlor there, so that may they allow us come the burial, so that may we collect the list. They can't transfer 150,000 to this woman. And they transfer to not be my wife, in papa account, go. And they transfer the money. And they transfer the money now. We can't do burial. We reach burial, common food, they not give me, I'll go to the Okada, carry my son, go to buy food. I can't call my wife, say, why your people, they maltreat me like this now? They say, make a beer, and not worry, everything go settle. That verse, so I can't carry my pikin, come on for that burial, when they don't finish burial, I can't go my local government, I can't go Benin, because you're not far from there. As I reach Benin, Baba, the next thing, After 3 days, my wife come come. As we reach Lagos now, another belle, he come enter again.
You talk, see, the way na the say another belle enter, he pick him for road. He not pick him for road now. Oh, yeah, continue.
No, he not pick up. He not pick up. I can't give her another belle.
He come give
now you
say you go
come.
talk
Last
now.
year,
He say
as I give another belle again, but as I give another belle again, when she want about everyday problem, me no come get work that coronavirus time. My guy come travel go South Africa. This woman come say, since he get property, we go say, since I be driver, make him just buy motor for me. I say they do Uber. I come say okay, no wahala. We can go find this Nigeria use. We come buy 500. I be 4 something. As we buy, I come dey repair this motor, baba. Not be small suffer. I come do the motor finish. As I do the motor finish, baba, if I dey work for V, I come dey run from Falomo to Banana. Now so this woman go dey cost me. I go say, madam, come every day. I dey balance 5,000 for this woman account. I dey spend for the money for house. No be when this one.
Wait, I don't understand. I don't understand. Now, you dey work for her, I be.
I dey work. They don't say she go buy the motor with her money.
Okay.
I can't send money to her account. I can't do balance it for her. Make quarrel no come.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
But I can't dey house. As I dey house, I no go where. I no feel malaria can't do me. This woman don't start to. You know go work. This one come up for house. Go find I say me. You see injection. The president of the nurse we come give me injection. They talk this. No, nurse say this man no well now. But the next thing he don't start to. He say me no talk like that too. That's okay. If na so I want go Benin. If I dey go, I'll carry my son. He say we son. He say whether me no know say man don't do court marriage for here. But as I hear the turn, I saw this woman just show me court paper. We married that man we don't feel born. That daughter for we take do court wedding for here. Baba I dey talk to you, so this woman don't born since December. I never see the kid where he born. They don't allow me see. Papa no almost 3 times I don't go Akure.
Wait, I don't understand. The court wedding. Now be say when una two be married. Wait. Una even marry at all?
They not give me list. If Papa not give me list, we say to 150,000 to Papa because of the burial. They don't want to give me list. If Papa don't say tomorrow, next tomorrow, Mama go there, go collect list. They not give up. Mama will bear the witness. My sister, everybody will bear the witness. You know?
Now be say you never marry him. Now your girlfriend she be no.
Yes, but like she dey delay am. When I say she can show me the court paper when another man say, when that man when say born for when say do now I can show why you not tell me since then now we don't born two when one born two so Baba na so this woman the next thing me no say that they plan for me Baba na so I just dey see police for house that's so they told me go in station as I reach station Baba not be small beating Bo. They call you say they not fit detain me for Ikotu. They call for Ikotu carry me come one police station where they popular before Ikotu. They call lock me there for 2 weeks. As they lock me there, when they call release me, this woman don't pack all my things, carry my children, run go Akure. Baba me no I can't define. I call the papa. This one say no. The next I can't go their station. The DPO say if I call you again, go fire me. Now I say for my children again. The next thing he come born for Akure. People come call me, another people with neighbor will know come call me. This is your woman. So tell my wife when they say picture of my children to neighbor saying don't born. Me, you not call me saying don't born. You not call any of my family. Now I did trace her. I say okay, make I see the picking. He say la. He say you know go green. Make I see the picking. If Papa, I go tell Papa say you know say you know go. Plus you don't put money for your picking. Don't do court marriage. Now you collect 150,000 from me again. If Papa say make I shut up my Baba many things, Baba.
Okay, continue.
I just send money again to his brother account last week here. His senior brother was senior now. Make it take buy something for this children. Oh God, this boy not give up. I can't call this woman before this woman. I can't go to the POS, they can't print the everything. I can't send the print to go give the woman. Instantly, I can't send another 5,000 again because of that thing what that boy do. I can't send her to my woman account and say, you, take, go give my shame, they say they buy this kid before I go see work because now I don't have the job. You know? Since there, Baba, I dey call, it block all my family number. 2, we go church, pastor say my mama na wish, my papa na wish. 3, now outside the pastor say, why you go to talk this thing? And she carry me go to church. Now so the pastor pull out from my head though, he dey push me and say, honey, this pastor where they tell me so. Who tell him my mama say all those things? He say even yesterday, he still tell my family, say my mama everything. The pastor tell her, that one pass Baba, me I know where. I do hospital, I come back from hospital, I dey house. I tell my wife, say, cook for me. He say no, he say, want go wash pastor house first. That's so my wife go her pastor house, Baba, I want die, that's why they say, he go wash the pastor house. As he wash the pastor house, come back. Now I tell her, say, what can dey happen? That's why he say, make I give her a key of the motor. As he carry the motor, he come carry her go station. The pastor come carry the motor from my back from station, motor when me suffer, food, do everything, put it, Baba. No be Baba. The next day he say I no fit do anything. Now man do cut wedding for your head. You not tell me when we are me are you no. When you don't born, you don't say yes. You don't born second pikin now. Now you come to tell me say see wetin dey happen. That one I know your best for that one. Wetin dey bother me now? She don't born since December, Baba. I no see the pikin.
So
I don't even know, let me see her.
So now I understand everything where you dey talk.
Yes, sir.
Now be say for everything where you dey talk so now. All of a sudden,
Yes,
from
sir.
in summary, all of a sudden she just stand up one day say she no want do again with you. Now and it starts from when I get misunderstanding when he lock you up, and before then he don't lock you up before, Abi.
Many times he mark where they myself now in DPO from Babish dreaming now.
What?
The picture them at home. Many times I go be and say something will pursue me. I'm going to sleep on that bed. I'm going to sleep straight.
She senior you, Abi, you senior am.
We be age mates.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
My name na Nedu. I dey call you from Wazobia FM.
What do you happen?
Ah, madam. So we talk to Osas. We talk to Osas. Baby, let you. Hey, auntie, don't cut call. The way she take answer me say, hello.
Wetin happen?
Wetin happen?
Hi, young lady.
Wetin happen?
Oh God.
Mo call again. Mo see whether she go end the call or pick. Only God know wetin this Osas do.
She don't want you.
He do. You know
See.
why?
The woman don't get what she wants.
Yes.
Wallahi.
Hey.
You know, if this woman pick this coil, I go buy mineral outside to drink with bread. You know, pick. Not to do.
Anyway, make we call Osas back. Osas, your girlfriend not pick. Oh.
Make us ask.
Hello.
We don't call her. She you dey hear as we dey talk, Abi.
Yes, sir.
We don't call her. She been pick. And once we say we dey call on behalf of you, she end the call,
Yes, sir.
and she
Yes.
not pick our call again. Wait, my brother, wait.
He will not pick today.
I want to ask you,
Yes,
no vessel.
Yes, sir.
What do you do
Yes,
this?
sir.
What do you do this girl, this woman? What do you do? Am?
Baba, wetin I do, Baba, make I just tell you. People they lie for my head.
Waiting be the thing where you waiting because we will go still go to do our own check-ins if possible. But you tell us first
Yes,
of all,
sir.
what you do? Tell us the truth. What you do?
Baba, wetin I do, make I just tell now. Apart from say they say my mama, he say my man and wish. That is what he passed on. Finish me. I don't know how I tell you say my man and wish. My man never.
I don't understand. You know the thing where you do be that thing you say that your man and wish. I know you never talk anything.
He say my man and wish.
Oh,
You know,
I
he-
hold on. As he tell you say your man and wish, what you can't do?
I could tell her say the president of the pastor now I come ask the pastor why are you saying this kind of word to my mother. The pastor I saw you tell her say make he pursue me. Make me everything. Baba many things there. Baba wanna help me. This woman. You know
Baba,
what-
you never talk any where you.
We don't feel happy the way they go.
We not feel happy the way you dey go. You never talk anything, my guy. You never talk anything.
Baba, wetin happen? Baba? Sometimes we dey fight. We'll quarrel ourselves. This one before it happen. So when I come and see different things, she go dey swear go for me. Then she call us again. The same quarrel again. Now she take carry me go police station for this one. And two, the girl, that girl wey born for another man. He say make the girl dey bear my name. I say no. It can't happen. I'm a donor. Tomorrow if something can happen to me. You can see big to me. It can't happen. It can't bear my name. You understand? It can't bear my name. He say whether I know saying that police. You understand? Now she don't want to children for me now. My first son is over 4 years. The one way born for this December, they don't allow me see her. So these people, now the people go to Baba, if you see me, people want to say they chop him money. How much did they pay? Now new inspector, she only new guy inspector. So how much did they pay sergeant? It was the sergeant. Now last year they give her inspector. How much did they pay her? How much? Now inside me I go also, me I go work. Now inside at the shop. How much? How much? The thing will pay me mama. Now so mama carry for the swear for the pastor swear for. I say if he ever disturb you one day, if me and wish. Many two pastors I don't tell me. He go carry me go this one. I go find the pastor. I go come out. Pastor why they? I go say I don't go to church again. He carry me go the other way again.
All the pastors say mama na wish nothing as she be.
Same man, and I saw the pastors. They tell me. I come say this woman get 4 children for abroad. He not chop them. The children no one don't die. Now let me be the poorest for inside. How he cut the wish? The woman when you go Benin, I say carry clothes they give you. So grandmama died dead there for how many days if they stay with you for village? Why this woman take the wish to you? You know, like that this way they come and man wish Baba when the pastor tell life for her Baba.
Osas, wait. All this church the one that they go, who they carry you, they go to church.
Sir?
All the church one they go, who they carry you go to church.
Now see they carry me go to church. Now see they carry me they go to church. Me, I tell her about go Martin of Fire because she don't like all those Martin of Fire. She don't like church where they see bishop. Now so I just stand. Pastor say my papa has wood. He dey front of my papa house. Papa you do the other for I record everything. Who dey front of my papa house? Who? He say who dey front of my papa house? He say 3 people that be lady daughter for my papa family. I say nobody be lady daughter. My father was a high chief in palace. He's the third person in palace in Edo State. The pastor say no, he say when the pastor not say I don't catch him, Baba. The pastor come find ways. Baba, you know what I see? I come home, my wife say, if I ever see you on this church again, now wala, my wife say, like say nobody go fist up. Now so they fight me. Now because I say I be the pastor, Baba, you know what he come back from me past. Now where I go sit down like my wife, Baba, many secrets we are not.
You see, say the only thing why you hear for what you talk now, Baba. You never talk anything, my guy. Ma tell you, listen to me, Usas. Ma tell you.
Yes, sir.
See what I want
yes,
here.
Sir.
I do this thing.
Yes,
As
I
I
did,
Baba, you go with my talk now. My guy, my talk, Usas. Talk, calm down. You hear me, so now. You go talk, say okay. You go talk now, say okay. I do this part to see the part why I do bad. See the part why I do bad. See the things where she do. Me, I believe say I did wrong for this one. I believe say I did right for this one. You understand? Talk your own part where you do bad. Talk your own part where you do right.
Yes, sir. We are for wrong, Baba. We are for wrong. My hot temper, maybe she go do something now. When I'm supposed to ask her in the cool mind, I know they ask her in
You
the
dey
cool
beat
mind.
am.
That one, yes, you dey fight. I know who feel like
You dey beat am. Not be say you dey fight. You dey beat am.
Yes.
You dey beat am.
Yes,
You
I
dey
know
beat
feel like
am.
for you.
All right.
How many
Yes,
times
Papa, I know
if they count how many times where then go say you beat am? How many times you beat am?
Like 3 times we don't. Since when we know only 3 times.
My brother, Osas, you know say na lie be that, abi? You
Papa,
say
Papa.
Osas, calm down. You self know say the 3 times where you say you beat am na lie. He
Na
pass
abbreviation.
3 times. Nah, you just dey abbreviate the beating. But the truth be say he passed 3 times so now. Man no like give you. Another thing again what I go tell you, you say you get married, they beat police officer. You dey beat police officer.
No
Not be
fear.
your wife. You never marry him. You dey beat police officer. Now, I know if from this beating alone, if she lock you up when them beat you, I not go question her because you will go the popo woman. Why you go do that kind? No man not supposed to beat woman.
Nah, you're wrong.
He wrong. Wrong now. You can't stand up go the beat woman. You say if you not try. So if she not dey answer your phone call, if she even they reject our phone call because of you or any beat. Now this last time before she come out now, you beat him.
No,
Talk
I
true.
don't know this
Wait. Osas. This one so now where they say man at me and say man and winch. You beat him.
Baba, I say I know because I test one my neighbor, my landlord.
But you say una fight. You say una fight now. This last one. How do you talk?
Yes, Baba, she make I tell you. They don't already plan out for their station. Make I tell you, at their house now, at the break cannon for her, which what they do this native oil, which because she don't, the pregnancy don't do due. She can't say she don't want to go that oil for her, so she go do it by herself. Baba, only thing when I do, she say she want carry that motor when we take the hustle, when we take the shop, go sell. Now I say, motor when we suffer put. If you want sell her, go sell her, give you money, or if not so, sell her, carry money go. You understand? Now I say, but you know say I not get work now. senator. I called the beggar, I said no. Now, pastor called the teller, say, make it bring the car, come make it sell. One of my person went there the church, come tell me, say, see what the pastor, the teller. So that moment, Baba, now say carry mechanic come, he carry brain boss. Now I can't go meet up for where the day. Pepe body, now ask the mechanic, say, who are you? The mechanic say, make I come up for you, say, whether I know who you are. The mechanic doesn't say, I be your husband. Baba, now you tell me the picture. Now you give me the picture of the issue. He don't say, I be your husband. This one, my wife stand, then I say, baby, now you get here, this guy, ask me, say, whether I will be this one. You understand? Now, collect that brain boss for your hand, Baba. I know when I use a 2 grand.
Osas.
If everything was...
Oh, you can't collect your hand, but can't use and throw it for ground.
The brain box, Sabi.
The brain box.
For the guy, that mechanic. Say, you know how man of approach. I'm your husband. Why can't you talk to me? Now the mechanic, the guy just, and I saw my wife just greet me. My landlady, everybody was there. As he greet me, he started to cry. Before I know it, I saw police just come with keke, one woman saying a 2-star one, saying a 2-star one for their station. Now so he just carry me. He carry me to Moisa keke. They said use me parade go their station. They go rubbish me for their station. Before they come carry me again, go hand over to another police again. Baba, if not lie, my IPO, I go look for a number. If I ever touch this woman, this IPO he go tell you the truth. I will tell you. Even said they are even looking for my wife. You detain me for how many weeks? They were even looking for her to come and write statement. She didn't write statement. That's so he wrong. He carried my children aside. Before me come out for say, he don't go. When December, then they come tell me say she don't go. After she don't run, go after 3 weeks, she don't go for the home.
Osas, I don't hear you.
Yeah,
I don't hear all the things where you go talk. But inside all these things where you dey talk, make I not like you. The one way me not like. The one way me not like, me go tell you so now. Now the one way you say you dey beat him, he not pure. Baba, this beating where you beat. But my tell you something. You don't come to Baba reach like 1,000 times. But this beating where you beat her so now, my guy. The beating, as far as I'm concerned, it don't cover anything where you want talk. You don't get what you want talk. It's beating where you dey beat him. It don't. What if she come outside, come talk now, say? If she finally answer her phone call, come talk, say, now because of all the beating where they beat him, all the things, now he make him they do what they do. You understand? You not go blame him. I'm not gonna like give you this beating where you beat. It don't spoil everything where you talk. Everything where you talk, this beating don't spoil him. But what do you want me we do for you now? Now I want to understand because.
Baba, wetin I want, Baba, Mona help me. Make you allow me to see my children, even though she don't want marry again. Make you allow me.
You not be saying no one marry. Una not marry now.
Una marry.
Una not marry now. Una marry. Una not marry. Una you dey get pikin where you Osas. Una you dey get pikin. Una not marry. You dey see am?
Yes, sir.
Una not marry.
Yes,
Now your pikin una get. So wetin go happen be say hopefully we go see they try they talk to am. You your family members, her family member. If you know a family member, may you talk to a family member. If you know talk to somebody wey be family member. At least make una do meeting together. Make una sort am out. But I go open phone line, sha. You dey hear me so now, Osas? Hold on. I go open phone line, sha. Make everybody tell you the advice. Say they go fit advise you. May you see whether you go fit take her. They go not fit talk to her. She no want talk to us. We will not go force her to talk to us. So wetin go happen be say once you don't go market so now, may you listen. Won't come back. People go they advise you. Then you can't know what you go do. Shey you hear? And may not the beat woman, not the beat woman, my guy. Any man where they beat woman, not be man. Any man where they beat woman, and witchcraft. Shey the yamna parents be any man where they beat woman, not be man you be. They're supposed to cut your machine gun through away. Hello.
Morning.
Ogana do good morning, sir.
Morning, my brother.
Ogato morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Lady T, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
This is Trumpet.
Trumpet to hear you.
Yes. Ogana do one matter.
Yes.
You see, first of all, I want to tell Osas
Yes.
and most of men that listen to me out there that any man that lays hands on a woman, that man need to take to psychiatric hospital for examine and
There is
treatment.
some country.
Yes, that man have a big problem.
Yes.
So that's my brother. That's where you get it all wrong, as Ogana do say. In anything you are doing with any woman,
Yes.
never you lay hands on her. Once you lay hands, you are guilty.
Of course.
As a man.
Yes.
Okay, now, you, as a man, you be with a woman, you don't do anything. When I have children, you're supposed to find a way you need to go and do something so you can get the access of those children.
Yes.
Now, Osas, as a brother, you are making a step there to beg for you to go and meet your children. Onto which level? It's not done that way. As far as I'm concerned, you people are just girlfriend and boyfriend. That children there is what you are looking at. But you haven't done something we're supposed to do as a man.
We go give you rights to the children.
We will give you rights to own those children. So, my brother says, what I want you to do first, obey the instruction, avoid destruction, make a move, circle your kinsmen, the people you trust so much, the elderly men, take them and move with them to the family of the lady. First of all, you make something on his head, do everything before you begin to talking of access to those children.
Okay.
I rest my case.
Thank you.
Thank you,
He
sir.
said make you do something on top the girl head. But then if the girl wants to make them do something for
Because
her
the guy they avoid.
is it the girl they avoid them? You understand? Now person won't make them do something for your head. Now then go feel do something for your head now. Yeah. But anyway, phone call. Obey instruction to avoid destruction. Hello.
Hello, Baba Lady.
Would they?
It's like not off me.
Now,
Baba no do this.
Would they hear you talk about?
Mama to.
Na mama.
And I see the thing what they did.
Eh,
He don't do mistake. Fine.
Yes.
And as me I dey take him, the policewoman, he not ready to accept him back. He not ready to accept him back. The advice me I go give him be say make him try see the family of the woman.
Yes.
So beg them so that he go dey allow her to see the children then.
Yes.
And waiting me I go tell her and make himself try to change the attitude because the way they take talk, if you go get another babe self now, so you go dey hammer and beat you. Because the way they take tell you now, they talk baba. If I don't know say police woman we ain't go marry, you don't know say na one enter. You don't even fear sex, they beat them. Hey, I been make him take and use you.
All right. Thank you
Baba,
very
well
much.
done.
Very well done.
A blessing they talk.
Blessing, talk to us.
I want to do this man, he get plenty work to do. Since the woman, he get plenty things, he get plenty work to do. You just need to calm down first of all.
Okay.
You need to calm down. Then let the woman understand, say, all those things, say, in the will try to do. They give her a reason, because the woman, her mind not do that again, no.
I might not do again.
Her mind don't lost. You need to, that's why I said, you need to calm down, to make sure, say, not like, humble, you need to humble himself. Make the woman say, he don't change. In all those things, when they do, all those things, the way they talk and the way they react, may he stop those things. If not, as now, police should be.
All right. Thank you for sending Nakuku Police TV. On top of WhatsApp, this one say, I do not have any advice for this nonsense man. Not be nonsense man now. Okay, calm down. Calm down now.
Yeah.
Never read Baba, calm down. Baba, calm down. He's a wife beater, and that has spoiled everything. The woman too get her own wrong part where she did for the thing. No, she too get her own part where she do wrong. But the truth be say, everything where she do wrong now, most of the things when him say go cover up now, this beating where they beat up. As long as he raises his hand against that woman, that one alone that has shown he's a complete irresponsible man. My sister, you dey vex because I sure say na woman go send this thing. Anyway. Back on top WhatsApp, this one say greetings house from Osas statement. Baba Nedu, Osas not get any case against his girlfriend. Physical assault. He say no. Baba Nedu, Baba Osas go get liver beating girlfriend if she be lieutenant or army. Osas for don they call Oga Nedu. Please come save me from guard room. The thing be say, but the guy get mind though. Your wife, your girlfriend, na police, you they beat them.
And then they live inside
And
barak.
they live in the same barrack.
Oh my God, I live
And you na civilian, you come be.
Hey,
I feel like no this can live where you get the happiness get her own for body. He get her own for body because normally woman will not get issue. Woman when he be say not get anger issue too. We not they show herself too. You go at least you go talk to us. You at least hear from us. We will tell you say you do come from Wazobia. At least you go tell us say, okay, oh yeah, see waiting they see waiting. Or I no want talk. I not get power to talk about this issue now. But at least get the respect, the courtesy talk to us. The way you take answer phone, say fear go let you no go let you talk. Hello, what's happen? So fear self go catch you.
Well, Baba, they do. You remember say I be tell you something either off the mic or on the mic. I tell you say the woman, the way they look at more, if let's say she don't already get what she define.
That pikin.
The Peking team. Some women they like that with all the respect. I just collect this Peking one here. I
move on.
Let them be my papa.
I don't get power. Make any man
on.
come they control me. Any man come they tell me one.
Otherwise, tell me why Inspector Happy no go want talk to a whole we. You know we.
Baba like you.
Baba.
It's I say, good morning, Oganedu. I fit advise my person to. I not fit advise any my person. To marry policewoman Uche from Festac. Baba, the thing be say, Osas should go and look for his own wife and marry and move on. Osas, there's a please. I say please, no insult Osas. So now he wear shoe. Now he know what they see for inside. I agree. Both of themselves no understands themselves before they enter the relationship. Both of them are hot tempered and handle their anger differently. From the beginning, the woman no one married. You should know from the burial of the grandmother. I know say some of una go dey where una dey blame Osas for plenty things. But Tombo just say make in because Tombo know my mind on top this issue. I don't come out my mind on top the matter. Tombo just say make him call the woman again for phone. As he called the woman again for phone, the next thing where she talk now, I beg, talk quick, I beg, my body the hot, I not get time. I beg. Then before she even know who, waiting will they talk about. Wait.
Hello, ma. Okay, ma. Yes, ma. Now because of again, one man we come to report some kind things to us. So they tell us say we don't believe what they talk. So we won't hear from you directly. You know, say we don't believe her. Hello, ma.
Who is that person?
He called himself Zio Sasso, yeah, something like that.
Mr. Ma, no question.
Hello, ma.
Thank you.
No verse, ma. Hello, ma.
Now so she take cut call come out. The fact I didn't record it from the beginning. I didn't record it from the beginning. Una for vex.
So my blood hot.
My body there.
As Tombo just call him. Say who be this? My name na Tombo. I beg, hold up my body dey hot. My body dey hot. Talk to me. Very, very, very the rudest of rude.
Mama don't vex.
The rudest of rude. So you see sometimes, you're not gonna know what is some person they go through until you dey for the person's shoes. We feel they here they blame Osas for a lot of things, but you're not gonna know the things with Osas. Hello, Osas. Will they call you back? So we've been just talk to your girlfriend quickly, and I'm not gonna lie, give you. She was very, very, very rude on top phone.
Yes.
Give us.
Yes, sir.
She was very, very rude. Give us. We don't know what you they go through. The one way you not do well, we tell you say you not do well. But my brother, from the talk we talk to her briefly, we feel talk say we know small of what you be go through for house. That's all. Now what we got talk. But my own be say, my brother, I don't tell you what I go tell you. My own be say, go hustle, go make money. Now better I go tell you. As I don't tell you earlier, you don't also hear people don't talk on phone. I go see open phone line, make them talk. Say make you look for your family, make them meet her family. If you go feel work, make una they see the children. Make you they see the children at least they do what you go feel do for them small. Fine. But if you not feel work, my guy, face your life. Or go open phone line, make you they hear waiting then get to talk. I don't know whether you want to talk another thing again before we cut you off.
Yes, sir. And sir, my people, they already show concern that they want to go to his father's house. If people is threatening my people that if they call his brothers, they say they will, different things. That is why I even say my sister even send money to her. I even send money as I'm talking to you now. I'm going for interview for you. I even send money, my feeding money to her about last week here. What does he want from me? At least, my sister, all of them, I have two sisters in Germany, in America. They normally send money to her. His father account, they send 150,000 to his father for only grandmama burial. What does he want from me? And these only children I have. It is disturbing me.
How old you be?
Sir, I'm 39 years now.
Okay.
The things are affecting me. you know.
No worry. Osas, no worry. Just they go your interview, clear your mind. You see that thing what I tell you earlier? That's what I tell you earlier.
Yes, sir.
Just clear your mind. They go interview. They listen to radio, hear what people go advice. Just clear your mind. Go good luck for the interview where you go, but put your ear for what they talk. Yeah.
Well done,
Yeah, well done. On top, what's up, Baba Nedru? Good morning. We should be speaking the fact here. The beating issue, yes, is very wrong. But we should take note that Osas said the woman has done court wedding with another man. Of course, the woman get her own plenty. In fact, you see this court wedding with the woman don't do. I never even want to enter inside, which means the woman a married woman with a cheat.
Exactly. Where they want corner the cheat.
Where they want corner the cheat with single guy.
Think
You
I'm
understand?
again, Organido. Think I'm again. What if the husband, the one we do court wedding with, they are aware of this cheating too?
Oh.
Unto children things.
What if the man they are aware and the man the one born more picking the man let me leave that one. The fact is, how are we sure the kids are his own? It's not in all traditions that women are rightful owner to the children. My advice is that Osas should go to the family since they are from the same place and table it before them. Any woman who has made spiritual home as their decision maker are evil. Mind you, she's a police officer. They always look for spiritual protection. Frederick, Nine talk this one.
Hello, Baba.
Alpha, talk to us, Mama.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Now, morning, Clinton, they talk.
Talk to us, we hear you.
I bet
Yes.
you see when I want to talk. You see, Mr. Osas.
Yes.
If you dey hear me now,
In the hear you.
Mr. Osas forget about those children. Move on with his life.
Yes.
After all, he no pay for the woman head. And those children now, if from my side, we both side, if God is not pay the woman's hair, not be your children. So may forget about those children. Not be say go forget about them.
Yes.
If they grow, they go look for their father.
Not be lying.
So make him move on with his life. He's still young now. He's now 42 years, Abi.
39.
39. He's still young. He never see another woman. And this one don't marry. Say with the man do court wedding. Court wedding, not this nothing, no.
And
So make Mr. Osas move on with your life. The children, if they grow, then go look for you. If now you be the father
their papa.
Yes.
Yes.
If now you be this papa, their
Yes.
papa, then go look for you. So now well done.
Thank you. Good morning, my people. Well done for all your good job. Let Osas contact a lawyer and reach out to her boss. Possibly write a petition. The woman is so uncouth. Alero from Manchester. Nine talk this one. So on top of the matter, Baba Nedu, Baba Tombo, Baba Ra, Baba Lady T, making go welfare, making take the matter go court. So in fit get access to the children. You see this access to the children. Say you never even know whether the children are your own. Hello?
Hello, Baba Nedu.
Mama, I greet you.
Hey, that right there.
Baba Tombo.
Morning, madam.
Morning.
Good morning,
We greet you.
Baba, I got to leave my That woman, Nedu,
Yes.
Now no go area. Hi. That one, is from Jehovah strong pastor.
Yes.
See, August, I not say you dey here. See, you know, August, you know what Osas they talk about? Not be saying our wife, now the children in the after.
Yes.
The children in the after.
Yes.
You know,
Now the children in the after. You know even the after the yes.
You know that after the woman at all. So, for me, as we say they're from the same village, I'm not saying too much wahala for where those children dey because as people they talk, say if they grow, they go find them. And that one are the simple truth.
Yes.
Because at the same place, they no go far. Say you understand me.
Yes.
That woman, hey, Ogatombo, are you supposed to marry that woman?
I don't understand.
You want me to keep Baba Tombo for us?
You don't want me to come work again.
Ogatombo, are you supposed to get that woman as well?
Then go lock Baba Tombo.
This matter.
One of our guys waiting for party say, and ADR recommended. Better still, report his problem to police authority. Now, if he report this thing to police, then go know how they go take handle them. You understand? Maybe a higher authority, maybe go call her to order or something. Anyway, good morning, Baba Nedi. Just look at the way the woman answer on her. Make people not they blame the guy alone. I know so SARS getting over body, but make we not forget say without a good morning there cannot be how are you.
This is a shock.
This one that we dey here the woman they call for phone. So make we hear wetin she want talk. Whether but meanwhile Osas we don't get special advice from our gas waiting for Panti. Hello madam, you been call us now you been see your missed call. Would they hear you?
What happened?
Madam, now on top of SARS matter, now we they call you for. You be end call on us, can't they call again? So we they call you back.
No, Versi. No, Versi, no, only the hard because the person are fool. What did tell you?
Who be fool? Osas now be fool.
Osas now, you call her fool. Mama.
Why they call am fool now? Now your papa, now the children, now your children, papa now. You they call am fool.
I tell no. You follow and go put money for my head.
No, you know, person not need marry you before you become papa to your children now. Not be him give you belle where you born the pikin. I be not be him give you belle.
I don't know because he can say they are showing now. I don't know who give me belle now.
Oh, not be him give you belle.
I don't know. Answer now.
Anyways, madam, our own be say, madam, our own na be say, I know me. I see me so I not send you, I not send Osas. I just dey concerned about the children. If Osas one day present for the life of his children, allow him dey present to the life of his children. Una no need marry. And then now
they ask you now. Now they ask you. Say you follow and come put money for my head.
Madam, you are the follow you.
My brother, I respect you because say you are a government worker. Please.
You not respect me, madam. Madam, listen to me.
Excuse me. Come for road.
Madam, na me say make I come off for road. Madam. You know say you dey here. Hello.
I love how they laugh. Osas na idiot. You see somebody wey pick her for dustbin, one brush her up. The person brush her up finish. Osas say the person na old woman. You dey hear me? You dey hear?
I dey hear you.
Osas is say him mama na old woman. Osas is senior me in the age. You understand me? Osas begin dey call you. Keep the answer. Okay, bye yo. Osas is a fool.
Voila.
Jesus Christ.
Ogadedu, I be talk one thing here. Jesus. I said the woman don't actually get a tissue they find. For that reason and where. That's actually laugh. That is a fool.
You know what she wait the person waiting for back they talk say hey you should say no. I didn't tell you no say no SARS speaking.
For a woman to call
her, they control the relationship before they scatter. Now she.
That SARS is a fool.
She said that she pick her from dustbin, won't brush him up.
In exchange for Asha.
For the children.
Fire make her the collect belle, you know.
Hey! Baba, this one shock me.
Baba, this one loud.
Baba, this one shock my video.
Hey!
Children, come.
Oh man!
But you never shut down your shot.
Hey! Hello, who did there?
Hello.
We dey hear you, Baba. How far?
Oh, don't catch me.
Let something that happen for Nigeria.
Baba, mama, something that happen.
Now wow. Do you know that this woman is a really business woman in that line? He just use her staff to do business. This woman is not ready to marry Asas. That children, I don't think that is an Asas marry or born those children.
Hey!